Yeah, the nuts and bolts answer to your question, Emily, is that our court and the Supreme Court of Maryland have a part of our website where each judge has the opportunity to populate a page with the specifics about what clerks they hire and when and what information to send to which email address and the timing and all of that. That's all laid out there. And so you can see who's hiring clerks and who's hiring interns and when and what to do. That's the mechanical thing. But of course, across the Supreme Court of Maryland and the appellate court, the 22 judges, not all 22 have actually populated that page. And so just out of the box, there's there are still questions remaining. And one thing I constantly tell students to do is just get on. I know newer generations don't like to do this, but like literally get on the phone and call the chambers, and you'll get the most up-to-date information about what that judge is looking for and when and all of that. And sort of like Judge Dillard, I think beyond that, the what information is available. Well, I'm on Twitter and I teach at one school and am frequently speaking at the other one here in Maryland, and I think in between that and all of my former clerks and interns, there's people that students can talk to. And clearly, I didn't go to either of the schools here in Maryland, but I've met enough professors and dean types over the years that there will be people who can answer those questions. But that's not universally true across our courts. And that's even more a problem for not only my colleagues, but our trial court colleagues who are spread across the state. I mean, and so that's where the value of trying to collect some systematically collect and make generally available some more of this individualized information about individual judges really could come in. I think a lot of the people who apply to me either have had a chance to hear me speak at school, or some of them have been in my class, or whatever. They have these judicial receptions at both schools where we get to interact with students, and that's all very nice. But I imagine some of it is from what they learn from talking to others. There's the amount of that information that's available is going to vary wildly across the different judges, and I think that's kind of the point.